right, part 13. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Yeah, great art critic over there. Going over this with ink. And then I'm going to go over with some opaque gouache, like a thick watercolor. Nice chirping, Dr. Chi. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Give it a little measles here. This is probably an anti-vaccine oriented sea monster. Yeah, no doubt ski about ski. That's right, Dr. Chi, yeah. All right, now, okay, we'll outline the teeth. Just as well because I have a cavity and I have to get a root canal. Bulach. You boys are lucky you don't have to go to the dentist. All right, that 15 more seconds and we'll stop at 3 minutes here. Yep. I'll just finish these teeth, the outlines. Then I'm going to paint them white inside the black lines. Okay, coming along here. It's a March 30th afternoon, 2025 CE. That's right, you want to say hi? There's Dr. Chi, art critic, Prime Minister Mazel over there. Thank you, guys.